Okay, so this one is open. Alright guys, and good afternoon and welcome back again dito sa aking YouTube channel. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antal Grand Village and Anyan. And for today's video, i-update ko naman kayo sa update sa mga houses no, na for turnover na po natin. Itong pong mga yellow houses po, these are mga Maxine model house at ang ganda na ng turnover niyan guys. Complete and finished. And tingnan natin po itong isa na to guys. No? Babae natin. Sana po available at bukas. Baba tayo. Alright, our location is in Tanza, Cavite. Alright, the Tanza, Cavite po is nandito sa town proper. And then this is the ongoing construction ng SM. Then ongoing, this is the existing McDonald. Then this is the existing Pure Gold. And dito po, andito po yung portion ng munisipyo. Then itong portion ito yung public market ng Tanza. The project is walking distance or 3 minutes or 5 minutes away going to the town proper. And of course, mayroon tayong bypass road from the Robinsons Mall. This Robinsons Mall is existing na siya and this dotted white, no? Ito po is ongoing construction siya ngayon na bypass road. So this yellow line is the National Highway going to Nasugbu, Batangas, then going to Tanza Tresa Road. But our project po ay nasa town proper lang po siya. So itong yellow line naman na to going to the Antero Soriano Highway, then Kawit, and then Cavitex, Island Cove going to Coastal and Manila area na siya. So, ang proposed na Cavite-Laguna Expressway is dito po sa Kawit, ditong mga dotted line na yan siya. So, this is the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. And we have two project mo po, no? This is the Antal Grand Village located boundary of Kawit and General Trias. And then, ang maganda nito, this is already almost sold out. But, mayroon tayong bagong pre-selling project. If you wish na dito sa Antal Grand Village, pwede rin po dito ang Paris, Tokyo, New York Model House. And then also dito sa Anyana, pwede rin po ang Tokyo, Paris, and lahat ng ating mga design na bahay. Okay? Alright, so good afternoon once again. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antal Grand Village and Anyana. And for today's video, feature ko naman sa inyo ngayon, itong finish na po natin, yung ating turnover unit for the Maxine model house. No? Shout out po para doon sa lahat ng bumili ng house and lot package na Maxine. Ang mga units nyo po ay ginagawa na at ready for turnover na po ito. So provided na mag-secure lang po tayo ng letter of guarantee, loan proceeds from the bank. But to those na naghahanap pa din ng house and lot package, real estate investment, and real property. So ito po is a sample. This is a Maxine model with a lot area of 80 square meters. So the 80 square meters is mula dito sa pinaka carport area hanggang dito sa pinaka post area niya guys. So change natin yung camera settings natin guys para medyo wider yung ating captured. Alright, so this is our Maxine model house. So this is the actual turnover po for the Maxine model house. At ang theme po nito is Spanish Mediterranean. Nakikita nyo po yung ating facade, more on glass, at saka yung ating pong window is square window. And it has a balcony dito po sa pinaka front, sa pinaka harap ng bahay, and you have the car garage and this is the septic tank. Anyway, so you have the 3 meters na setback which is intended for garden and landscape area. So the total contract price itong house na ito is 5.3 to 5.7. It depends on the size of the lot. So explain natin po no kung babayaran niyo po ito ng cash payment. So lalo na pag dito po natin tatayo sa may Bel Air West kasi available na yung lot natin. So kapag babayaran niyo po ito ng cash payment, the developer will give you 10% discount on the lot plus 5% discount on the house. Then once we receive the full payment, no, give us 30 days. Once the lot is available, then start tayo ng house construction. So construction ng bahay na ito guys, 270 working days. So hindi kasali ang Saturday and Sunday. Alright, and for the deferred payment, the house, the total contract price is payable for 30 months. No interest, no? Bibilihin nyo po yung property house and lot nito for 30 months o babayaran nyo po yung property over 30 months na no interest. Okay po. So this is our smallest house, and of course, pag nabayaran nyo na po yung the whole amount in 30 months, on the 31st month, no? Kapag wala na po kayong balance sa amin, then we will start the house construction. Or once we receive the 50% of the price, then we will start the house construction na po for every deferred payment. Alright, no? Then kung gusto niyo po, medyo maliit lang po yung inyong ida-down. So, papasok tayo sa bank financing po. Bank financing, down payment nito po is 15% lang siya. So, down payment of 15%, that is payable for 30 months, no interest. Reservation po natin ito is at 30,000 pesos. Then, 85% balance through bank financing. But anyway, check natin yung loob ng bahay, guys. So, look at the facade. It's nice, no? More on stones. At ang laki ng kanyang pinto. At ang ating pinto is a steel door. This is very nice door at saka modern door na siya. Wow, look at this. This is our actual turnover na, guys. No, ang flooring mo ay 60 by 60 floor tiles. And this is your living area. Diba? Ang linis ng bahay natin. Ang galing nung gumawa nito, And also, guys, I love white, no? At least medyo purity and clean. Very clean kapag white. And of course, ayan at lang linis, guys, no? Tandaan natin, no? This is a small house. This is our small house dito po sa Anyana, Antol Tansa. But for me, this is not small. But this is big na. Kasi, syempre, at saka malinis ang gawa niya, guys, no? So, ayan, no? This is the kitchen area. Guys, mag-reserve na kayo nito at napakaganda ng bahay natin, pati finish natin. Ayan. Ayan. Then, sa likod, meron ka pa nitong 2 meters ng setback. Ayan, So, which is, later on, pwede nyo siyang lagyan na. Tapos, dito po sa tapat ng, dito, meron ka pang sombrero, guys, para hindi ka nababasa. Ayan, Ayan. Ayan siya. So, ito sa likod. Medyo close sa itaas. Check natin yung ibang unit, guys, no? Try natin, pasukin. At maganda talaga yung finish nito. Ayan. At yung flooring dito sa itaas ay yung pinaka-finish. Ay, itatouch natin, baka basa pa. Hindi na. Ayan, malinis, no? Swerte ang gawa. Ganda yung galing ng gumawa nito, guys. May kasama sa taas, ayan, Ayan siya. Alright. So, this is a Maxim model house. It has 3 bedrooms, then 2 toilet and car garage. With a lot area of 80 square meters. Pero yung ating mga 80 square meters po is sold out na siya. We still have 100 square meters available for this unit. So, ang total contract price lang po na nasa 5M plus. 15% down payment, nasa 700 something. That 700,000 po para mas magaan sa inyong bayaran. That is payable for 30 months, no interest. Less the reservation fee of 30,000 pesos. Then whatever balance po, 30 months to pay. So ang monthly nito, guys, mga 25,000 per month. May single house ka na din, 3 bedrooms complete. Then kailangan lang po makapag-secure kayo ng bank guarantee or letter of guarantee from the bank. Then para po once na-receive namin yung bank guarantee and loan proceeds, start kami ng house construction. Yun lang po yung aming requirement kapag bank financing po. So, construction nito is 270 working days. So, actually, this is our smallest unit dito po sa Anyana, Antol Tansa. Okay, we still have the Paris, the Tokyo, the New York. And then, request lang po kayo ng quotation nito, guys. I will send you right away. Okay, so once again, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antol Grand Village and Anyana. Thank you so much, guys. And see you in my next video. God bless.